best tagline for GTC was as follows: this house was built on GeForce, and Scan's followed that journey.
Welcome to GTC!
To be here and kind of see 12 months on of all the new developments. DLSS 5 to start off with. I'm just replaying back, everything from the keynote. What a game changer that is. And then to see, the kind of the models change from LLMs to now agentic AI, and then to see the demos with OpenClaw and then NemoClaw today. It's massive.
This feels like the biggest GTC they've ever had. I've been coming here for 3 or 4 years now. I think the atmosphere is still electric. As AI settles into industries as the new norm, and as agentic AI gains traction, at least conceptually, the rubber needs to meet the road now, and NVIDIA have taken steps and announced a number of different technologies and initiatives that really are about making it matter in the enterprise.
The keynote raised more questions for me, and they're good questions to ask, which is a case of, on a macro level, where is all the power for this compute demand going to come from? We know there's infrastructure challenges, especially in the UK, for getting all this compute hosted, and the demands are ever increasing. Now, Scan are in a position where we can potentially help on that sort of thing, but I still think we need to come up with smarter, more intuitive ways to kind of scale up and plan and forecast, because right now that's where the bottleneck's going to be. From another perspective, if I'm a business owner and I'm looking at agentic AI, which is really exciting, NVIDIA has OpenClaw, there's been Claude Bot before. My question is, if I'm going to utilize this tool to kind of streamline my business, make things easier, what's the running cost of it actually going to be? Because right now, if I'm using a cloud platform, it'll be priced 1 month, but as demand increases, the realities of infrastructure constraints continues, we expect prices to go up. So the next question to the business owner is, do I then set up my own infrastructure, bring it in-house, and then I have a consistent outgoing every month? This is what's my running cost will be. And I think that's what I would be taking away.
But today, just seeing some of the partnerships where people have actually taken a lot of the models that we learned about in the keynote and start deploying those as almost black boxes with all the sensors. You can actually start seeing the physical AI now really start to come into its own.
The stuff I'm most looking forward to for the rest of the week encompasses physical AI, how some of those agentic AI systems are being put to work with physical objects, robots. We're moving beyond the promise of something, we're moving beyond the technical demos and the vision side of things, and now we're implementing. And I think we're seeing a lot of pragmatic announcements from NVIDIA that will transform all the different companies and the ecosystem as a whole.